Hello, this is chapter 9 of class 8, Algebraic Expressions. Introduction of this chapter. Algebra is a branch of mathematics that involves letters for numbers. The numbers are the constants. The letters used are called variables. An expression contains the combination of constants, variables together with the arithmetic operators. So when two expressions are equated together, we get an equation. Some equations are true for all the values and such equations are called identities. Objectives of this chapter is you will be able to identify the algebraic expressions, solve degree of a polynomial, solve monomials, binomials and polynomials, identify like and unlike terms, solve addition, subtraction and multiplication of the algebraic expressions. So what are expressions? The price of a chocolate is rupees 5 and the price of a pen is rupees 10. What is the total price of 3 chocolates and 10 pens? So to solve the problem, we will form expression as let cost of 1 pen be rupees x and cost of 1 chocolate be rupees y. So the expression will be 3x plus 10y. Now the price of 1 chocolate is rupees 5, so we will substitute here x equal to 5. And the price of 1 pen is rupees 10, so we will substitute y equal to 10. So it will be 3 into 5 plus 10 into 10, which is equal to 115. Constants. A symbol having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. Example 3 minus 5, 9 upon 7, p, etc. Variable. A symbol or alphabet which takes on various numerical values is known as variable. Example, circumference of a circle can be denoted as c equal to 2 pi r, where r is equal to radius of the circle, 2 and p are constants, and c and r are variables. So, a combination of constants and variables connected by mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divisions is known as algebraic expressions. Terms. The several parts of the expression separated by plus or minus sign are called the terms of the expression. Example, 2 plus 5x minus 8x square y plus 1 upon 5xy square is an expression containing 4 terms, and the terms are 2, 5x minus 8x square y and 1 upon 5xy square. Now here you will get a new term, polynomials, an expression in which the variables involved have only non-negative integral power is called a polynomial. For example, 3 minus 4x plus 9x square plus 5 upon 4x cube is a polynomial in one variable x. 5 plus 4x square minus 7x square y plus 9y minus 1 upon 3xy square is a polynomial in two variables x and y. Now 3 plus 9 x to the power 5 by 2 plus 5x square is not a polynomial because 5 by 2 is not a non-negative integer. Now 7 plus 2 x to the power minus 8 plus 6x square is also not a polynomial because minus 8 is not a non-negative integer. The degree of a polynomial. Degree means the highest power of the variable. So the highest power of any term in the polynomial is called the degree of a polynomial. So based on the degree, the polynomials are classified as linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial. So linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. For example, 3 plus 7 by 5x. Here x is of degree 1, therefore it is a linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. For example, x square minus 4x plus 4. Here x of degree 2, therefore it is called as quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Example, x cubed minus 3x square plus 5x plus 1. So here x of degree 3, therefore it is a cubic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 4 is called a biquadratic polynomial. For example, 2 minus 5x plus x square minus 8x to the power 4. So here x is of degree 4. Then it is biquadratic polynomial. Based on the number of terms of the polynomial, they are classified as monomial, binomial, trinomial, and so on. So, a polynomial is said to be a monomial if it contains one term. For example, Harry is having 7 roses, then it is denoted by 7x. So, here 7x is a monomial. A polynomial is said to be a binomial if it contains two terms. For example, Harry is having 9 roses and 5 jellies. Then we form an algebraic expression as 9x plus 5y. So x denotes number of roses, y denotes number of jellies. So 9x plus 5y is a polynomial which contains two terms. A polynomial is said to be a trinomial if it contains three terms. Harry is having 8 roses, 6 jellies, and 5 chocolate. Then the algebraic expression is given by 8x plus 6y plus 5z. So here x denotes the number of roses, y denotes number of jellies, z denotes number of chocolate. So 8x plus 6y plus 5z is a trinomial which contains three terms. So in general, if the expression contains one or more terms whose coefficient is non-zero, then it is a polynomial. For example, 4x plus 4xy plus 17xz square minus 10y square z plus 19. Now here the terms unlike and like. The terms having the same variable factors are called like term, otherwise they are called unlike terms. So 3x and 7x. This is the example of like term. 6w and 6y. Unlike terms. Similarly, 4x and 4xy is also an example of unlike terms. Now, addition of algebraic expression. In adding algebraic expression, we collect different groups of like terms and find the sum of like terms in each group. For example, here the first expression is 7x minus 4x plus 5 and the second expression is 5x minus x plus 9. So the addition of these two expressions will be like this. We will rearrange like terms together, then 7x plus 5x minus 4x minus x plus 5 plus 9. So the addition of these two expressions will be 7x plus 14. Now subtraction of algebraic expression. In order to subtract an algebraic expression from another, we change the sign from plus to minus or from minus to plus of all the terms of the expression which is to be subtracted, and then the two expressions are added. Here also the two expressions. So first rearrange like terms. So 7x minus 4x plus 5 minus 5x plus x minus 9. So here's sign will change. Then subtraction will be minus 2x minus 4. Thank you. So this is all about the different properties and types of algebraic expressions. Thank you.